AMBR stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. You know, I'm the only guy in this world that's on 47,000 videos, right? Because if you don't, I'm about to show you. It's 47,000 videos, 5 years. I've documented them all. And especially with AMBR, I'm not that surprised about it. You know, I'm not that big of a fan of this price action. Not because I have anything personal against it. No, it's just that the truth is it's just a bearish market. I have like a bit red line pointing towards it now. To the downside, you know, I kind of yawned there, so my bad. And I also began with a sell side way beforehand. You know, August, first week of August, I was selling. Here's the proof.
And tell me again now if you
that
want
was nice, 690 a month ago, 5th of August. I mean, all I can tell you is that the likelihood that we keep going down is still very high. So that's AMBR. It's obviously not financial advice or anything. If you want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.